This is problem number 15 on page 462. We're going to simplify this fraction, this ratio, with irrational exponents. They include a pi. So we notice that we're dividing through these two powers, the numerator over the denominator, and they have the same base. So I'm going to subtract the exponents. This must be the bigger exponent. Pi plus 1 has to be bigger than pi minus 1. So we're going to end up with 1 over the base of 1 plus the square root of 3 to the pi plus 1, and I can just subtract the exponent from the numerator, pi minus 1. Okay, well when I do this, this will be a pi plus 1 minus pi plus 1, which is just going to be a 2. So we've got 1 over that base of 1 plus the square root of 3 squared. So we got to get a radical out of the denominator. So right now let's just multiply this out. 1 plus root 3 times 1 plus root 3, and we'll get 1 squared plus 2 root 3s plus 3 squared. So this is going to be 1 over the 1 plus 3 is a 4 plus 2 root 3. So again, we still have to rationalize the denominator and get this radical out, and the only way to do that is with the multiplication by the conjugate of 4 minus 2 root 3, and that will get that'll get our radical out of there. So we do this in the form of multiplying by a big 1 in the form of the conjugate over the conjugate. So in our numerator, 4 minus 2 root 3, and we know this pattern well enough that we're going to get the first term squared minus the second term squared, or 16 minus 4 times 3 minus 12, or 4 down here. And we do have a common 2 in all three of those. So if we divide out that 2, we'll get 2 minus 1 root 3 all over 2. And that's our final answer.